listen. Today we're gonna try to do all of the Super Kitties puzzles on easy, because there's a lot of puzzles, in less than 5 minutes. So I got my timer down here, and I'm gonna need to pause the timer in between the puzzles because the videos take so long. Okay, let's get started. Okay, we're gonna do Jigsaw. We're gonna do easy. And I'm gonna come here, and then we're gonna try to do all of these in 5 minutes. Can we do it? Let's see. Start the timer. Okay, go. Go. Okay. Oh, no, you go here. Corner piece. This. There we go. Yeah, bottom piece, top corner piece, top piece. So.
Well,
Pause
maybe
the
you can make it up to everyone you tricked. Welcome to our
Okay, that took 19 seconds. Oh my goodness. Hope we can do them all.
There you are, little bits. Who wants to get brushed?
I want to get brushed.
Ginny was worried that I'd forget about her when I met my new friend Ruby. But
I
there's
didn't
always
forget
room
about
for
her.
best friends
Even if you
and
have a new
friends.
friend, Ruby.
And I'm taking that to heart.
Oh, okay. Let's see, timer. Yeah, puzzles. We're back on easy. Gotta go back here. Okay, and we'll start the timer. Okay, go. The top corner piece, bottom corner piece, top corner piece, bottom corner piece, middle piece, side piece. What now? Did you go there? Bottom piece, side piece, middle piece. Okay.
Look at that move!
Hi. I'm Ruby. I'm Ginny. I'm Sparks. I'm Buddy.
Hi, Ruby.
Hi,
I'm
Ruby.
Mitzi. What's that collar?
That's pretty.
This is my Ruby jewel.
Your name is Ruby, and you have a ruby?
Well, you got a
Where
Ruby
did you
jewel.
get it?
Meow Mountain. The kitties who live around there gave it to me when I climbed to the top. They said I'm the best climber ever.
Best
You're the
climber
best climber
ever. Okay, so that took us about 17 seconds. Okay, let's see. Let's go back here, and then here. And then we're gonna do this third one. Okay, start the timer. Start the timer. Okay, go. Oh my goodness, bottom. This, and here, and here. Oh, don't you stay.
I'm regular size.
Oh no,
Regular
regular
size.
size.
I knew you could do it.
Thanks, kitties. Here you go, Sparks. I guess being small is pretty
Sparks.
great after all.
Okay. Back to Jigsaw. And easy. Then we'll do the fourth one. Okay. Let's start the timer. Let's go. Corner piece, bottom piece, top left, top right, top middle, left middle, right middle. You know what I mean.
Power
Okay,
up
stop.
the Super Kitty Kit. Let's see who needs our help. Super Kitty Kit? Meow.
No.
Super Kitties, help! Somebody's smooshing all of the flowers in the park.
Oh no.
Look what they did.
So sad.
They'd better not smush the flower festival. I mean, smush.
Dorothy,
They won't.
How for
We
to
stop them
smush
first.
the flowers at the flower
Irritan,
festival?
We're on our way.
Yeah, they're on their way. Okay, let's see, Jigsaw, and then we're gonna go back to pick 'em, and we're gonna do this top right one on the last. Okay, start the timer. Let's go. No, okay. Bottom. You stay. Okay, top on the side, and this one, and the top right, and where do you go? What? Hello? Oh, there you go. I couldn't see it. All right.
Cousins, Super Kitties. We're brave. We're smart. We're strong.
We're kind.
Super Kitties, go!
kind. Just like all of you. Okay, let's see. We got the second row to do. Okay, we're gonna do the first one and the second row. Start the timer, go. Oh my goodness, here. Ooh, that fit. Top right, left, bottom. Yeah.
Time to supercharge. Pointy claws and springy paws.
Pointy claws and springy paws.
Bitsy Boots, blaster faster!
It's huge, lots of faster.
Turbo mode.
Turbo. Sweet. Do. Okay, let's see. We're gonna try the second one in the middle row. Okay, start the timer. Go. The bottom piece. See, this goes somewhere. And this goes somewhere too. I did this one, and then this. The bottom corner, and middle, and top left. Oh, we did that one fast.
Small like you, but then everything's much better when you're giant.
Not a giant mouse.
Let's stop her.
I mean, unless it's Mickey Mouse.
Maybe Lab Rat's right. I am too small to stop her.
No, you're
I
not.
want to be the ittiest, bittiest, smallest kitty.
But Bitsy, being small means you can do so many awesome things us bigger kitties can't do.
Exactly.
Yeah, like reaching small spaces.
Yeah, small
And
spaces.
Cozy little cuddles.
Cozy little cuddles. Aww. I want to be part of the cozy little cuddle. Okay, now we're going to try the third one. Let's start the timer and go. Okay, and that's the top left, bottom middle, bottom right, top right. Well, you the top right. Bottom left, right side, left side, top and middle. All right.
Sorry, tiny kitties. But
We're
it's
doing
time for
so
me
good
to
and so fast.
Leave.
Uh-oh.
leave. Get it?
Leave. Because that's a tree leaves.
Oh, leave. I get it.
That's silly. Let's see. Okay, let's here. Now we have the fourth one in the middle row. Okay, we got 2 minutes, 34 seconds. Let's start the timer and go. On the right side, top right. Bottom middle, bottom right. Left side, top middle, top left. Center, bottom left. Woo!
Come on and roll. No time to stroll.
We did that fast too.
We're feeling our soul.
Oh, that is a super big rubber ball.
Because we know. From our whiskers to our tail, there's no way that we can fail. Come on and roll.
Wow, this is dizzy. Okay, we got 2 minutes, 18 seconds left, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 puzzles. Okay, let's see. We're gonna do the last one in the middle row. Let's start the timer and go. Dizzy, the right side, bottom right corner, middle and the bottom, top right, middle in the center, top left, bottom, oh no, the left side, bottom left, and top.
It's the super
Woohoo! Super kitties, they're so cute. I want to slide like that. You ever slide like that? That would be super cool. 'Cause they're super kitties. Spotties. What? You?
Oopsie kitty.
Betsy. Oh yeah. Okay, let's see. How do this? Now we gotta go back. Okay, we finished the top row, the middle row. Now we only have the bottom row, and we have 1 minute and 58 seconds left. Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Let's start the timer. Go. Okay. Oh no, stay. Oh no, you go up here. Oh my gosh, we're running out of time. Middle. Right side, bottom left, bottom center, left side, and top.
Hey, Super Kitties!
Phew. That was close.
What's up?
What?
Giant lab rats! Giant lab rats!
Giant lab rats! That thing is huge. Okay, let's see. We have 3 more. I think we can do this. We have 3 more puzzles to do, and we have 1 minute and 40 seconds. Okay, let's get started. Start the timer. Go. Top right, top left, bottom middle, and then the middle, bottom right, top center, bottom left, left side, right side. Oh yeah. Pew.
Oh, a super kitty copter?
It's something
I
I've been
want a
working
super
on.
kitty
Come on,
copter.
what are we waiting for?
That would be so cool to have.
This is genius.
We could fly anywhere we wanted to. I want the copter. Okay, let's see. We have 2 more left and 1 minute 23 left. Okay, let's start the timer. Go. Right there. Oh, okay. Let's see. Let's do the bottom row first. And then the top row. And then the centerpiece. And then the left side. And the right side.
Over here!
That is a giant.
Paws out, claws out!
Paws out, claws out.
Not you again! Shoo, or I'll give you the boot! It's time! Get the trip ready! Now, Sparks! On it! Buddy yarn blasters!
Wow, he tripped. Oh my goodness, the lab rat tripped.
Ha! You're not stomping any more flowers today, lab rat.
Nope. Don't you stomp on our flowers during the flowers festival. Okay, we have just 1 more. And we have 1 minute and 5 seconds left. Do you think we can do it? Okay, let's try. We're going to start with the top, and then do the middle, and then do the bottom. Okay, let's see. We are the top left side, the top middle, top right side. Okay, left middle, center side, and then left side. Okay, and then bottom left. We have 42 seconds left. Oh my goodness. In the middle, and then the bottom right side.
Look at all this
did it!
precious yarn.
There's the big rubber band ball. Like, oh, that's
Burglar!
that's the yarn. That was a big ball of yarn. Well, thank you for watching. We actually did it. In 5 minutes, we did all the Super Kitty puzzles on easy. So we'll do another video. We'll try to see if we can do it on medium and do it on hard. But we did it with 36 seconds left. Great job, guys. Okay, thank you for watching. Hope you have a great rest of your day. Okay.